Hello, we are live at the Willow Hill Heritage and Renaissance Center. We're performing a walkthrough as we assess the grounds and the interior building. We're looking to upgrade our exhibits, and from time to time this is a necessary step. So we are heading toward our Wi-Fi pavilion, which also sustained some damage during Hurricane Helene. So we're approaching the building shortly. You can see the 10 acres, beautiful acreage behind me as we approach the building. Okay, so this is the Wi-Fi enabled pavilion. There was a little bit of damage to the roof. Tables were intact. Just see here some of the metal was torn off, so that has to be repaired. But overall, the building and the structures were mostly spared. As you can see where it was ripped off.